what's up? Welcome back to the channel. It's Fork in the Road 2025. I'm your host, Stuart, coming to you from East Tennessee in the foothills of the Smoky Mountains here in my little cozy camper. And we're having some weather like most of the country right now. So it's been a while since I've been on here cooking. So I figured, why not? If I'm going to be stuck home, let's do some videos. So I did some shopping, pulled some stuff from the freezer, and we're going to do some videos this week. I got 2-3 videos coming at you this week. Tonight we're going to start with this one. How many of you guys out there have ever been to the San Gennaro Festival? And they're in Little Italy's. They come once a year. It's a food festival. And like I said, they have them in most Little Italy's all over the country. The biggest one, the original one, is in New York. The original Little Italy on Mulberry Street. And one of the most iconic sandwiches there is the sausage and pepper. And that's what we're making tonight, guys. I picked up some gorgeous, beautiful, locally sourced, locally made Italian sausage from Swaggerty's farm here in Kodak, Tennessee. Went to the farmer's market. I got some beautiful multicolored gorgeous bell peppers over here that we're going to work with. I got a yellow onion. We're going to get those sliced up. We're going to get them on the grill. We're going to get the sausages on the grill. But that's it, guys. We're cooking sausage and peppers today. I'm excited. I love them. I got some crinkle cut fries I'm going to put in the convection oven to have with it. And let's go, guys. We got some prep work to do. And then we will talk on the other side. Let's go, guys. Good to be back. All right, guys. We're going to start prepping our vegetables. Start with our green bell pepper. Cut the sides off. We'll get rid of that green pith. Boom. Pull that out. And we're going to cut this into 1/4-inch strips. Okay. Continue on. Nice strips. And into the bowl. And we will continue on with our red bell pepper. Same process. Take off the sides. Nice 1/4-inch strips. Get that pith out of there. Continue on. Okay, 1/4-inch strips into the bowl. We'll continue on with our yellow pepper, our yellow onion. We'll get that peeled down. Clean as you go. Get rid of that skins. We'll cut the onion in half. Going on an angle. Get that core out. Same thing on the other side. And now we'll go in just like the peppers. Nice 1/4-inch strips. Bada bing. And into the bowl. And we'll move on now to our little heirloom peppers. Same thing. Slice them open. Cut them into strips. Beautiful colors. Take the top off. Go down the side. And boom. Same thing. If there's any pith in there, we'll get rid of that. And nice strips. There we go. And right into the bowl with the rest of the peppers. Give it a nice mix. And we'll move on. We'll get our delicious Italian sausage from Swaggerty Farms onto the flat top with a little bit of olive oil. Burners are set to low to medium. And as they brown, we'll flip them. Got some nice colors starting to happen already. Beautiful. And we're just going to let them continue to cook. And as they cook, we will periodically give them a flip. Let that skin crisp up nicely. and the inside's going to stay nice and juicy. These sausages smell awesome. Swaggerty's farm does a great job. All right. They're getting close, it looks like. Give them another flippity flip. Looking good. Should be just about there. And we'll pull them off. Set them to the side. Get a little bit more olive oil on the hot skillet. We'll get our peppers and onions on there. And I'm going to turn the heat up a little bit to medium high. And we'll get a little bit of caramelization happening on these peppers and onions. Look at those beautiful colors, guys. Tell me that doesn't look appetizing. All right, so as they're starting to sweat down, we'll hit them with a little bit of pink sea salt. And some cracked black pepper. And we're going to hit them with a little bit of just a simple blend of, your basic store-bought dried Italian seasonings. Give it a little background flavor. And we'll just let those continue to do their things. You see they're starting to caramelize up a little bit. Give them a little toss every once in a while. Going with the tongs, just move them around. They smell delicious. All right, we're getting close. And when they're finished, we'll pull them off. Hold them to the side. There we go. Pull them off the flat top. And we'll hold them warm off to the side as we slice our sausage. Okay, there we go. Now we got our beautiful sausage. We're going to cut it on the bias, which is just a fancy word for on an angle. Beautiful. We use about 1.5 inches per sandwich. That's a good sized portion. All right. And we're going to get that back onto the hot flat top with a little bit of olive oil. There we go. Let that crisp up a little bit. This is where the magic happens. And then we'll hit it with some of those peppers and onions. And give it a mix. And just let it do its thing for a minute or so. That looks delicious. And now we're going to start assembling our sandwich. We got our delicious crusty semolina bread. Start mounding in our sausage, pepper, and onions. I cannot wait to get into this. This is one of my favorite sandwiches. There we go. Look at that. That sausage is just so good. The peppers and onions. Oh, God. Look at that, guys. Look at the colors. Look at the flavors. Look at the smells. I mean, you can't see the smells, but you know what I'm saying. All right. Look at that. Thumbs up. New York Dan. Got our crinkle cuts there. I just do a little salt, pepper on those. There we go. And that looks like dinner to me, my friends. What do you think? Italian sausage and peppers straight from the San Gennaro Feast on Mulberry Street. Look at that. Azazich. Well, guys, we're back. We're at the dining room table. Hey, Pops, want to try some of this? We're at the dinette. I got my sausage and peppers. I am so excited. I feel like I'm walking down Mulberry Street in Little Italy right now. with the smell just wafting through the air. Got some crinkle cuts. Nothing like a good crinkle cut fry to go with it. Gotta love a good crinkle. Anyway, Poppy. Here. There you go. And one more. Good boy. But anyway, yeah, like I said, I'm going to dig into this, try it out, let you know what I think. But like I said, the sausage from Swaggerty's farm, right here locally. The peppers and onions right from the local farmer's market around the corner over here. The good semolina bread. This is going to be very good, guys. Let's try it out, see what we're dealing with here. All right, let's see what's going on. Oh my God. Oh my God, guys. Hold on, I'm going in for another bite. Guys, this is so amazing. Every component. The bread is perfect. Crusty on the outside, soft and chewy on the inside. The sausage, I cooked it on the flat top slowly. Crisped up the skin on the outside. Locally made, locally raised pork. The peppers and onions, seasoned just simply, salt, pepper, some dried Italian spices. Very simple, very easy. And look what I'm eating for dinner here, guys. In a little camper. You guys should be ashamed of yourselves out there if you're in a full-size kitchen in a full-size house and you're eating some bullshit. You should be ashamed. But anyway, guys, Italian sausage and peppers and onions, just like the San Gennaro Feast in Little Italy, cooked right here in the Smoky Mountains in my little camper. So I'm going to finish my dinner. And I will catch you guys on the next one. I got a couple more videos coming up this week, hopefully. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.